Good morning, children. Now we have to study about the remaining part of the lesson. Indian Defence Forces. We have to learn or we have to study about Indian Defence Forces. Defence Forces of India. Last day what we studied? Last day we studied about major defense sections. Last day we studied about Army, Navy and Air Force. We studied about Army, Navy and Air Force. We studied about all these things. Army, Navy and Air Force. Army means that particular part of Indian Defence Force which is going through the land, that is known as Army. Navy means that defence force which is going through the water. Air Force means that defence force which is going through the air, that is known as Air Force. That is known by the name Air Force. Now we have to study about other military groups. Other military groups. Border Security Force. It is known as Border Security Force. The name clearly shows what is the meaning of the border security force. What is border? Boundary areas. That military group which is protecting the boundary areas are known as border security force. They are helping the military also. They are helping the military also. They are helping the military also. Understood now? During the time of war, they are helping the military war. They are helping the military during the time of war. They are helping the military during the time of war. For example, I will tell you one thing. During the time of Kargil war, during the time or during the days of Kargil war, what will be the? During the time of Kargil war, Indian BSF helped the Indian military to a great extent. During those days, the terrorists were troubling the Indian army. During those days or during that time, the terrorists were troubling the Indian army. But BSF helped the Indian army to kill and defeat their power. During the time of natural calamity, what is that? During the time or during the days of natural calamity, what will be the? During the time of natural calamity also, BSF is helping the military and the government. Their motto is duty until death. Duty until death. Duty until death is the motto of BSF. Duty until death. Duty until death is the main motto of BSF. border security force. Border security force. Duty until death. That is a motto of Indian BSF, Border Security Force. BSF. Then Industrial Security Force. Industrial Security Force. Industrial Security Force is helping the industries to develop. For the development of industries, Industrial Security Force is working. What is for the development of industries? Industrial Security Force is working. Industrial Security Force is working for the development of industries. So, development of industries are the major idea of this force. Development of industries are the major idea of this force. If any problem is there, if there is any problem of development of industries, if there is any problem for the development of industries, Industrial Security Force is working. So, the main idea of Industrial Security Force is development of industries. Coast and Guard. The headquarters of Coast and Guard is Delhi. Delhi. Delhi is the headquarters of Coastal Guard. Delhi. It is the headquarters of Coastal Guard is in the land of Delhi. What is the meaning of coastal areas? We have here. Coastal areas. Those areas which are near the ocean, sea or river is known as coastal areas. Protection of the coast areas are the main idea of Coastal Guard. Protection of the coastal areas are the main idea of Coastal Guard, and they are helping to protect smuggling. They are helping to stop smuggling in India. Smuggling. What is the meaning of smuggling? That we have to think. Smuggling. Smuggling. What is mean by smuggling? That we have to think. Smuggling. What is the meaning of smuggling? What is smuggling? Without the permission of the government, engaging in the business of some items are known as smuggling. Without the permission of the government, some people are selling and purchasing some items. That is known by what name? That is known as smuggling. So, coastal guards are helping. Coastal guards are helping to solve the problem of smuggling. Coastal guards are really helping to solve the land of India. Smuggling, coastal guards. And during natural calamities also, they are helping. During the time of natural calamity also, what they are doing? During the days of natural calamity, coastal guards are working hard. That is specialty of coastal guard. Their headquarters is in the land of New Delhi. Last year, before last year also, what happened? Last year and before last year also, flood happened in different parts of India. During that time, coastal guards did valuable service in the land of India. Coastal guards did valuable service in the land of India. They did valuable or very good service in the land of India. Coastal guards. They did valuable service in the land of India. Coastal guards. So, the duty of coastal guards are great as compared to other military forces. Next one is NCC, National Cadet Corps. National Cadet Corps. National Cadet Corps is an important military force of India. When there is a need, what they will do? When there is a need, they will help. When there is a need, they will help the military force. They are doing ordinary service. They are doing ordinary service. National Cadet Corps members are giving National Cadet Corps members are giving ordinary service to the nation. Ordinary service. They are listening or they are giving ordinary service to the nation. That means without receiving salary, they are giving without receiving salary. They are giving ordinary service to the nation. Without receiving any salary, they are giving ordinary service to the nation. NCC. Those students who are working in NCC will have reservation in military. Those who are working in NCC will have reservation in the military field. That means they are doing service to the nation. Another one is Home Guard. Home Guard. We should know what is Home Guard. Home Guard means it is actually not a part of police. They are helping the police people. Police. They are helping the police people. Home Guard are really helping the police people. When there is a war or violence, when there is a war or when there is a violence, they will help the police people. When there is a war or when there is a violence, they will help the police people. And they will help the military also. They will help the military also. And during the time of natural calamity, you see, during the time of natural calamity, home guards are helping the government, respective governments. When there is a natural calamity, home guards are helping the government. Home guards. Home guards are given remuneration according to their participation in solving the problem. That is known as which one? Home guards are knights. Indian Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross. Indian Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society is an voluntary organization. It is an voluntary organization. Indian Red Cross Society is an voluntary organization. What is the meaning of voluntary organization? Indian Red Cross Society is an voluntary organization means without receiving money, without receiving any money, they are giving service to the human race, or for the people they are giving service. Without receiving any salary or any wage, without receiving salary or wage, they are giving service to Indian people. Indian President is the guardian of this association. Indian President is the guardian of this movement, Indian Red Cross Society. During the time of some epidemics, during the time of some epidemics, Indian Red Cross Society have contributed a lot for the development of Indian epidemics. What is the meaning of epidemics? Spreading disease. Spreading diseases are known by the name epidemics. Some diseases are spreading from one person to another place. That is known as epidemics. Then, during the time of epidemics, what is that? During the time of epidemics, Indian Red Cross Society is working hard in order to solve those diseases. They are providing medicine and drugs to the affected people. And during the time of natural calamity also, Indian Red Cross Society is giving its valuable service to the people of India. Indian Red Cross Society. Then, road organization, road. What is the meaning of road? Indian Road Organization. What is the meaning of this one? They are constructing roads. Indian Roads Organization, what they are doing? They are constructing roads. Indian Road Organization. They are constructing road. And Indian Road Organization is repairing and maintaining the roads of India. There are different types of roads in India. Different types. National highways are there. State highways are there, district highways are there, and village roads are there. All these roads are constructed by this association and they are repairing these associations. Dear children, we have to study about Indian Defence Forces. Indian Defence Forces. We have to study about BSF, Border Security Force. BSF means Border Security Force. The name itself shows what is the duty of this force. Border means boundary areas. Border. Border means boundary areas. What is the meaning of this one? BSF is protecting those areas which are sharing boundary with other countries. Those areas which are sharing boundary with other countries are being protected by BSF, Border Security Force. Border Security Force, BSF. Then what is the meaning of this one? India is sharing boundary with us so many countries. Where there is a problem of a war, there BSF is working hard. Where there is a problem of a war, there BSF is working. For example, China is making problem with India on the northern side of India. China is demanding that Sikkim and Arunachal are integral part of their kingdom. China is demanding that Sikkim and AP, Arunachal Pradesh, belongs to China. There, China is making so many problems. But what is that? BSF is controlling the coming or arrival of Chinese soldiers and Chinese people to the land of Sikkim and Arunachal. Again, in the Kashmir areas, Pakistan terrorists are there. And BSF is controlling those two. At the southern side, who is the Sri Lanka is sharing boundary with India at the southern side of India. There also BSF is working hard. So, BSF is protecting India from the border people. BSF is protecting India from those people who are coming to India through the border areas of India. Then BSF is helping the military force when there is a need. BSF is helping the military people. During the time of war, during the days of war, what will be there? During the time or during the days of war, BSF will help the military controlling the enemies. Then, calamity. What is that? During the time of natural calamity, the military or police alone cannot deal the problems. earthquake, bhugam. During the time of natural calamity, volcano eruption, Jwalamukhi, flood, pranaya, drought, Barudan, and tsunami, etc. BSF is helping the military and the state government. Death. What is the meaning of this one? The main idea of BSF is that we will fight until death. Up to death we will fight. That is the main or major idea of BSF. BSF is saying that we will fight until death. Up to death we will fight. That is the main idea of BSF. That means BSF is a military force. BSF is a military force. They will fight up to death. They will not go back. Fighting up to death or fight up to death is the main idea of BSF. Fighting up to death. Industrial security force, another one. Industrial security force is giving protection or security to the industries. They are giving protection or security to the industries of India. Industrial security force. They are giving protection to the industries of India. Industrial security force. And sometimes so many problems will be there inside the industries. When there is a problem for the industries, industrial security force will provide them care. So, for the development of industries, what is that? For the development of industries. For the development of industries, industrial security force is working hard. Coastal guard, coastal security force or coastal guard. What is the meaning of coastal areas? We should know or we should think. What is the meaning of coastal guard? What is mean by coastal guard? We should know that one. What is the meaning of coastal guard? Coastal area means those areas which are near the sea, ocean and river. India do have a very wide coastal area of its own. India do have both land boundary and water boundary. So, what is the beauty of coastal guard? Coastal guard is protecting the coastal areas of India. Some people may be doing smuggling. During the time of smuggling, coastal guard will control and arrest the people. And the headquarters of coastal force is in New Delhi. During the time of natural calamity, coastal guard is helping the state government and central government. NCC. National Cadet Corps. National Cadet Corps is a voluntary association. National Cadet Corps is a voluntary association. They are giving voluntary service to the state and central governments. That means without receiving salary, they are doing the service. Those students, those who are working in National Cadet Corps, are getting reservation during the time of their selection to the military force. Home Guard. Home Guard. Home Guard means they are not really fully force. When there is a need, They are helping the police people and the military people. When there is a need, they will help the police people and the military people. Then, when there is a violence or war inside India, they will help the military people and the police people. During the time of natural calamity, during the days or during the time of natural calamity also, they will help the government, police people and military people. So, the role of Home Guard in the land of India is too much. Indian Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society is also a voluntary association. In different parts of India, there are branches for Indian Red Cross Society. In different parts of India, there are branches of Indian Red Cross Society. There are branches of Indian Red Cross Society in different parts of India. Indian President is the guardian or protector of Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society also is a voluntary association. During the time of epidemics, during the days or during the time of epidemics or spreading disease, Indian Red Cross Society is doing its own duties in the land of India. So, we cannot neglect the role of Indian Red Cross Society in the land of India. Road Association. That is, Road Association is engaged in constructing and maintaining the roads of India. There are different types of roads. Different types of roads. Different categories of roads are there. National highways are there. National highways are connecting one state with another state. They are maintaining and repairing national highways. State highways are there. They are connecting different areas of one state. And district roads are there. District roads are connecting different parts of one district. And rural roads are there. Rural roads are connecting one rural area to the nearby town or to another village. All these works are done by Road Protection Organization. Dear children, you observe